what I want to do is do a comparison too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this. We're going to show some footage of me skating with this, skating with that, and then we're also going to probably do a couple video walkthroughs of home. So if you're a real estate agent or if you're a viewer, I would love for you to give me feedback on which one you like better. I'm excited about this video unboxing of the GoPro 12 Black. We're gonna unbox it, and the reason why I'm actually gonna do this is because I recently purchased the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is a new one. It actually failed on me within 2 recordings, and I had to send it back and get a new one. So I have only used this a few times. So I had a client that blessed me with this because he heard that my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 died. So, but here we go. We're gonna unbox this and show you videos with both of these so you can get an idea of which one and how it works. So here we go. We're gonna open this up, and I'm super thankful for getting this from one of my clients. I'll leave him nameless because he probably doesn't want to know, but you know who you are. So thank you so much for blessing me with this. I have a Hero GoPro 9 that I really liked. Problem with it is it always overheated and it just wasn't as functional as I wanted it to be. But I'm hearing that the GoPro 12 has a lot more features that will be beneficial for me. So again, when you open up the box, it has all this information and so forth. What I'm already seeing before I even open the box, it looks like it has a new battery. So when I was in Vietnam, I used my Hero 9 and the battery's always overheated. So this one here is that all-terrain battery is a little bit better than the other one that they were using. It used to be one that you can buy. Now I'm grateful that it comes with the package. So you get that in there, you get this little charger, get this adhesive clip that you probably put on your helmet. Then you got this quick clip, so you can do different quick clip things. But my client also blessed me with this, so I'm going to do POVs where you click this in. I'll have the GoPro there. I'll probably even use the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 so you can get a couple of vantage points at the ground level. So, and then here it is. It comes with this cool packaging, and what I like about this, it has kind of like a matte finish and a kind of like an 80s spackle. So it could be because it's a recycled plastic, but not sure, but it looks really cool. So peel off all the protective plastic here. All right, so pop the battery in there, rot and a different memory card. So I don't know if I ever shown you this. I think it's called Pigeon Tech. This is really cool and handy. It actually holds all your memory cards in there. So I like this thing. Memory card here, get it going. So let's get started. So we are going to do a comparison with this bad boy, DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the Hero Black Pro. We're going to do videos, we're going to do skate videos, we're going to do real estate videos. I definitely want you to give me feedback on the audio, the video quality, so let's get started. All right guys, here is the first test on my skateboard with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So we're going to skate down this hill and see how that sound quality is. Here we go. Next up is going to be the GoPro 12. All right, here we are at the same location as the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. We're going to take the same hill, same everything. Just wanted to see the difference of the audio. So here we go. How was that compared to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the Hero 12? So what we're going to do next, we're going to go on a home tour. We're going to take a tour with the Osmo Pocket 3 and then the GoPro 12, and then you'll get to see the differences and you be the judge of what looks better. All right, let's go. All right, here we are at Vista Montero, and we're going to take a tour of a Sonoma farmhouse floor plan on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So let's get started. All right, this home is listed at $704,225,000. It is a farmhouse Sonoma design. It has a 3-car garage as standard. It's 2,831 square feet. So as you approach the front here, you got that nice porch. You got the 8-foot door. very tall foyer here. I want to say it's roughly 15 feet. So if you pan up, and then that cool window right there gives you light coming in, so that's really nice. So you come in, and you have this open living room with 12-foot ceilings. You got the nice fireplace there. And then over there you have a family room. You have your primary bedroom, and you have 2 bedrooms over here. So let's go to this side of the home here. And this is where your 3-car garage would be. You have a nice full-size pantry here. Then you have the laundry room over here. And it will have a sink here as well. And this living room, kitchen, formal dining room is massive. And the lot size, just for you to know, is 19,116 square feet. The unfortunate part is I cannot go out there because they're actually doing the stucco, but it is a huge lot. It's, I'm gonna say, over 100 feet towards the back. But this is the formal dining room, opens up into the living room. And this is Vista Monterre, northeast side of Bakersfield. This is the family room. And it has the wet bar hookup over there as well. So you can use this as a game room. And then over here you have a full bathroom. Over here you have cabinets. You have this good sized bedroom over here. And then this also has a walk-in closet. And what's cool about this, it has the double doors. It's really nice. And that's a huge closet, by the way. All right, so we're leaving the family room and the bedroom. And we're gonna go to this side of the home. So you got the foyer there. And this is, I wanna say, like a tri-wing. So over here, you'll have cabinets here, and then you have a bedroom right here. And this is also off the front patio. If you haven't been into Vista Monterre, you're missing out because it's a neighborhood that's like no other. Has amazing views of the mountain, of the Sequoia Mountains. Then we'll go up front here to the front, another front room. So you can see in the distance those mountains. And then this one here has that closet there. And then over here you have a full bathroom. So basically 3 full bathrooms in this home. And it's a Sonoma farmhouse. It's 2,831 square feet, 3-car garage. And then it has an extended family room that we were in that was massive. And these doors right here, they go in, they open up like a pocket door. So kind of like an invisible door, and then it has a covered patio. But I can't go outside because they got everything taped up to stucco. All right, so this video that I just did, it was with the Osmo Pocket 3. We're gonna switch over, do a tour of this home with the GoPro 12. So let's see if you guys can see a difference, and I'd love to hear your feedback. Let's go. All right, everyone, we're here at Vista Monterre. We're gonna take a tour of a Sonoma floor plan that is available for purchase. It's about a 60 or 90 day out, could be sooner. But this house has everything. If you haven't been out to the Northeast, this would be an amazing experience for you and your family to relocate to. All right, so let's get started. So it is a farmhouse design. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath with extended family room. The asking price is $704,225. The square footage is 2,831, and then it does have the 3-car standard on this particular home. As you walk in, you have that nice patio there. And you have this massive entrance. I want to say that this ceiling here is about 15 feet, and you have that nice window there that brings in a natural light. So you walk in here, open concept living room, and to kind of break down the home, you have your family room, formal dining room, primary bedroom, 2 bedrooms there. We'll go to this side where you have the 3-car garage here, nice sized pantry, laundry room. And then this will have a sink as well. You come out this way. Love these 12-foot ceilings. Great open floor plan. Then now it's the the formal dining room, sorry. This is the family room. This is extended, it's massive. And you'll have your wet bar, you'll have your cabinets, a sink, uppers, lowers. Then right here you have a full-on bathroom. You have your toilet there, vanity, lower cabinets there, and then you have your bedroom here, and this is a good size. And then you have a closet here, the double doors, very deep, very big. All right, so we're gonna make our way to the other side. As you can see, this is amazingly big. We can't go outside, but the backyard is, or the whole lot is like over 19,000 square feet. So you have plenty of room for a pool, all that good stuff. But I can't go outside because they're actually gonna stucco it tomorrow, so they have it wrapped. But it is huge, it's probably over 100 feet. Then you have a cabinet there, bedroom here off the front. Then you have those amazing views out here with the patio. And then you have another front room over here. Again, spectacular views there, good sized room. This is a massive room, so you'd put your bed there, both of your nightstands there, and then over here to break down the bathroom, you'd have a vanity here, floating tub here. You got that big window, bring that natural light in. It is frosted, and another vanity there. Then you have a full-on curbless shower, so very seamless, so all the tile would run straight into there, so it'd be really nice. Got where your toilet would be. There's no power in this home, so here is the primary closet. Probably pretty dark, but you can kind of see how big it is. All right, hopefully you guys like this tour. If you have questions, this house is available. It is in a rough stage right now because it's still under construction, but we can get you probably moved in about 60 to 90 days or less. So if you have questions or if you'd like to look at this home, give me a call. My information is gonna be below. If you wanna know things that happen daily in Bakersfield, follow my Instagram channel at Skate Agent, also on my Facebook channel as well. So on to the next house.